So, all of you are ready for another challenging day? Yeah. Why it is called challenging? Because it is section 3. Section 3, why I call it challenging? Because if a student can comply with the third section, he can attack the third section. Very easily he can attack the first and second section. Why means, if you can do the section 3 properly, if you can get to the section 3, it means you know all the formulas. You know all the related formulas. Shall I say? You have to know the trigonometry. For when you are in trigonometry, you can't use coordinate geometry formulas. Do you? You are not kids, no. You know simple things. You know simple things. When we are in trigonometry, we can't use what? What? Coordinate geometry formulas. And there also in trigonometry, when we are exercise 1 has its own set of formulas. Exercise 2 has its own set of formulas. Exercise 3 has its own set of formulas. We should know whether this question has come from the exercise 1 or exercise 2 or exercise 3. Then we can use the related formula. समझ में आया? ट्रिग्नोमेट्री बोल तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री नहीं बोलना. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री बोले तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज से आया क्वेश्चन या सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज से आया या थर्ड एक्सरसाइज से आया एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. क्वेश्चन मन में घूमना. ऐसा मन में घूमते ही सितारे चमकना. क्या? एक्सरसाइज 3 के फलाना फॉर्मुलास एक्सरसाइज 1 के फॉर्मुलास काम में नहीं आते इधर. वी हैव टू यूज द रिलेटेड फॉर्मुलास ऑफ exercise 3. It is a small example I am telling you. Understand? We have to use the related formulas. And if we can attack the section 3, naturally it means that section 1 and section 2 are a cakewalk. Cakewalk बोल तो क्या? Very very easy. Cakewalk मतलब है very very easy. Section 3 कर पाए, it means section 1 and section 2 are relatively very very easy. Why means they are all formula oriented questions, right? So we are going to deal with section 3 now, the most important section, and the first 3 chapters: real numbers, sets and polynomials. Later on, quadratic equations, linear equation, another set. Then coordinate geometry, progression, the third set. Like that I will do it in sets, in parts. Okay. Now the question right in front of us is, use Euclid's division lemma. So this is not something on the Himalayas. It's very very simple. You shouldn't take it as something special and all. Okay. It's a very simple thing. It's a very simple thing, Euclid's division lemma. To put it in a simple way, I will try to get your minds to understand what is Euclid's division lemma. Okay? So we know this simple division. Third class people know this. Divide 13 by 2. Division lemma. Is it clear for the viewers? If anyone are viewing me, you can give me some valuable time and some valuable comments. Okay. Some valuable likes and some valuable subscriptions. Okay. If you think I am okay. The viewers over the YouTube. Okay. They can just encourage me to continue. Okay. They can just encourage me to continue if they feel that I am right. Okay. Now this word here is Euclid's division lemma. Can anyone tell me what is that lemma? Very simple. The daily division which we do. The daily division which we do in a format. Okay. Understand? So now 2 divide 13 by 2. Now what is this 13 called? Dividend. What is this 2 called? Divisor. Divisor. 13 is called dividend. 2 is called divisor. Okay. Now we start the division. We will arrive to two more parts. Okay. Two more parts. And what are those two parts? Let us see. 2 6s are 12 and we are remained with 1. We are getting two more components here. And what is this called? It is called quotient. It is called quotient. And this one is called remainder. The one is called remainder. This is our day-to-day division, and everyone, you are not childish no more, no? You are not children, no? You are grown-ups. This has all been done in from the 4th, 5th classes, you know all this. It looks so simple. Anyone doesn't know this division? इसको तो ये division नहीं आता, आता please. सबको आता ना ये division? That is only Euclid's division lemma. That is only Euclid's division lemma. Only gave some alphabetical names. Okay. Now, what he has said is, now we know that 13 is equal 2 into 6 plus 1. Correct? 13 is equal 2 into 6 plus 1. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 is 13. He has given this dividend a name. He has given the dividend a name. A करके बोल दिया उन्होंने. That's all. डिविडेंड को क्या नाम दिया उन्होंने? A. राइट. डिवाइजर को क्या नाम डाल दिया उन्होंने? बी. डिवाइजर को बी बोल दिए. बी बोल दिए. राइट. कोशेंट को क्या बोल दिया ना? क्यू बोल दिए. कोशेंट को क्या बोल दिए? क्यू. प्लस रिमाइंडर को आर करके नाम डाल दिए. खत्म. यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेम्मा. That is the Euclid's division. It's not something that we don't know. Daily लाख बार आज तक जब तक तू 10th क्लास में आया लाख बार कर चुका तू डिविजन्स. लेकिन आज 10th क्लास में आके वो लोग बोल रहे कि डिवीजन लेम्मा करके एक बात सुनाना चाह रहे. सुनेंगे अपन. इसके ऊपर थोड़े प्रॉब्लम्स करना पड़ता अपने. ओके. सो A is equal BQ plus R is Euclid's division lemma or Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm. Now what is a dividend? A. What is divisor? B. What is quotient? Q. And what is remainder? R. The relation is A is equal BQ plus R. That's it. And here you should understand. Here you should understand something. R will be always less than divisor. R will be always less than divisor. So R can be how much? 0, 1. It cannot reach 2. It cannot reach. So R is how much here? 0, 1. Remainder can be 0 or remainder can be 1. Remainder cannot be equal to the divisor. रिमाइंडर कैनॉट बी इक्वल टू द. सो अपन रिमाइंडर कितना लेना पड़ता? डिवाइजर से एक कम. डिवाइजर से अगर से डिवाइजर 7 है, इफ द डिवाइजर इज 7, व्हाट विल बी द रिमाइंडर? टेल मी. गेस एंड टेल मी. गेस एंड टेल मी. एनीवन? 0, 1. Starting trouble. All these bikes are having starting trouble. क्या पेट्रोल नहीं है गाड़ी पे? एक बोले तो मैं उसके पीछे तोता जैसा बोलता हूं करके नहीं रहना ना. सिचुएशन इधर मैं बोल चुका कि डिवाइजर 2 रहे तो रिमाइंडर 1, 0. हाँ, फिर 7 रही है तो बोल रही नहीं. 0 से स्टार्ट होता. 0, 1 to 7 आता. लेकिन थोड़े लोग बोल रहे हैं अभी 7 भी बोल रहे थोड़े लोग. जुनैद जैसे लोग, जेन्नी जैसे लोग क्या कर रहे बोलते हो, 7 करके बोल दे रहे। मैं बोला 7 तक नहीं आ सकता, लेकिन थोड़े लोग छात्र क्या बोलते मालूम, हम एक परमात्मा है बोलते। थोड़े छात्रों का माइंड में क्या रहता बोलते, हम ही सब कुछ जानते। नहीं, गुरु से जानकारी लो पहले, बाद में जानकारी तुम दे सकते दूसरों को। गुरु से ममाइक नहीं हो से पहले मैं परमात्मा बोलते नहीं चलता। यू हैव टू कंप्लाई विद द टीचर फर्स्ट, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द टीचर्स लॉजिक, then only you will understand mathematics, then only you can express that logic to others. Don't try to do when you are amateur, try to express yourself when you are a professional. Professional students are there, okay, then we can listen to them. Okay, right now we have to use this logic. It seems we have to use Euclid's division lemma. We have to use Euclid's division lemma and prove that cube of any positive integer, cube of any positive integer is in the form 7m, 7m plus 1, 7m, 7m, 7m plus 1, 7m plus 7m, 7m plus 1, 7m, 7m plus 1, 7m plus 2, 777. So we are knowing B. We are knowing B. We are knowing B. Q is how much? M. A is equal BQ plus R. So BQ plus R. Here R is 0. Here R is 0. So 7m plus 0 becomes 7m. Here R is 1. There R is 6. There R is 6. BQ plus R. We are having on the board BQ plus R. And B is 7 and Ardhamaita unnadi. We are understanding that B is 7. When B is 7, what is R? When B is 7, what is R? Not 6, man. 0. Don't be foolish when you are talking. You can have compromising values of R. What are those compromising values? Starting from 0, ending with 6. So now in this problem, there is a hint. Out of these 3 things, we are having 2 things. What are those 2 things? B अपने कने है, R भी अपने कने है. B कैसा है? दिख रहा. BQ plus R. BQ plus R. BQ plus R. B है, R भी है. B है, R भी है. What is B? Directly 7. What is R? Gut say. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that is R. So we are having, from the question, we are having indicators. We are having indicators. Some indicators indicating the value of B and also indicating the value of R. B आ गया तो R आ गया समझो. B आ गया तो R. Now tell me, if B is 4, what is R? 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. When B is 4, what is R? 1, 2, 3. What about 0 then? What about 0? When B is 4, what is R? 0, 1, 2, 3. Now you are having some brains. Now you people can do this formula. You can use this formula. You can apply this formula. You can do any problem of this type. Tell me again. Unless you have the foundation strong, the building will not last. You know it very well. तुम सबको मालूम है एक चीज, जनरल लाइफ में जब तू नींव को, फाउंडेशन को क्या बोलते हैं? नींव फाउंडेशन गट नहीं डालता, बिल्डिंग ठहरने का चांसेस कम हो जाते. You can't expect that the building will stay for a long time. Why? Because the foundation is so delicate. The foundation is so weak. When the foundation is weak, how can the building be strong? So some people think it is waste of time. No. अब आपको समझ में आया, तेरा दिमाग में एक बात घुस गया, वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम जो डैश दो लोग आप बोल रहे इधर, वो लोग को समझ में आ गया कि हमारे को बात समझ में आ गई, तो उसको वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम कैसा बोलते बोलो जरा. अब और एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. इफ बी इज 6, what are the various values R can assume? That's say Anana. Yes. Did you get it? So is it waste of time or saving time? So that you will not crack your heads later on. You will not break your heads. You will not say how ऐसा step कैसा आया, ये क्यों आया ऐसा करके तेरे मुंह में संदेह नहीं आता. That is called laying the foundation यार. उसको क्या बोलते? Laying the foundation. Laying a strong foundation. Some corrupted mind students will say it is waste of time, but those people's minds are not right. Their minds are corrupted. They think it is waste of time, but it is actually saving and time and gaining in knowledge. What is that called? Saving time, gaining in knowledge. That's my tutorial. Its name is Oasis. We concentrate on saving time and gaining knowledge. Right now we have some knowledge now. Now in this problem, what do you know? You know B. What is B? 7. So what is R? Tell me now. So come on, we'll start the problem. Everyone are excited now. See, everyone are ready to take it. Everyone want to involve themselves. When you involve themselves only, you are known to be a professional. The amateur becomes a professional. When they involve with the teacher. When they involve with the teacher, okay, the student he will grow from amateur to professional. How many of you want to be professionals in maths? Because you are the main boy community and nowadays girls are हम किसी से कम नहीं. हाँ? Girls are what? हम किसी से कम नहीं. So many of the girls are taking up maths. Many of the girls are taking up the challenging task of picking maths as a main subject in inter. Right? God bless them. God bless them with immense knowledge and courage. Come on, we'll go forward. Okay? We will go forward. We know B. B is 7. B is 7. And R is, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we shall start off. We shall start. Let the positive integer be A. Let the positive integer be A. Such that A is equal BQ or 7Q. BQ or 7Q. Yeah, 7 is there. 7Q plus R such that, okay, this is such that R is equal 0, 1, 2, dash, 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 6. R is equal, you can write this as a set of elements also. R is equal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now we are starting our problem. Euclid division lemma is applied. Did we apply? Euclid's division lemma. This is nothing but Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. We have applied it. Now we have to proceed. Something is saying cube of cube of the positive integer. Cube of the positive integer. A cube. इसको cube करना पड़ता. We have to cube the positive integer. Let the positive integer be a. So the positive integer is a. We have to cube it now. It means cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. A cube is equal 7q plus r whole cube. Cubing on both sides. If we say square, squaring on both sides. If we say cube, cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. Now, here the better half of the students, the worst half of the students is decided. Why means? The better half of the students would know what is the formula for a plus b whole cube, and the worst part of the students will not know what is a plus b whole cube. And I suppose that being in 10th class, you should be well aware of that formula. A plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? Tyro. इत्मीनान से जाना. We have to go very carefully, very correctly, very accurately. We have to go forward. Now you know that this is A and this is B. A, B. First, what is the expansion? In expansion, we would get, because the power is 3, we have to get 4 terms. Before the power is 3, we have to get 4 terms in the expansion. In the expansion. When you expand this binomial, you have to get 4 terms. Why? Because the exponent is 3. The number of terms in the expansion would be n plus 1. If the power is n, in the expansion we will get n plus 1 terms. In what? In the expansion. इसको expand करना, बड़ा करना, expand करना बोलते. Expand करना बोलते क्या? बड़ा करना. Okay? In the expansion, how many terms we should get? 4 terms. And what is the first term? A cube. What is the first term? A cube. So you know A is 7 cube. So A cube. Done. The letter of is understanding. The letter of is understanding the formula. A cube. Next, 3a square b. 3a square b plus 3a means 7q square a square b into b, not plus b, into b. 3a square, 3 into a square into b. What is that? 3 into. Through my service so long a period, I have seen most of the students being very vulnerable over here. They will start using plus or minus in the middle. It is not plus or minus. It is product. It is product. Means into. See how you are glued to me? It means I'm creating the topic very interesting for your vision. आपको देखने के लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग दिख रहा. अभी जब सर बोलता तेरे को समझ में नहीं आता, इट बिकम्स सो डिसइंटरेस्टिंग. यू नो, मैं भी जब बैठा उधर कभी कभी मेरे सर जब बोलते मैं डिसइंटरेस्टेड था. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट द टीचर इज टेलिंग ओवर हियर. बट आई सी ऑल ऑफ यू आर so much attracted towards this board. It shows that you are understanding something. The teacher is getting to you. He is getting to you. When the teacher gets to you, you get to the subject. Got the point? Got the logic? When the teacher gets to you, then you get to the subject. If the teacher cannot get to you, you will never get to the subject. Understand? So very good. Keep your concentrations going. This is 3a square b. This is 3a square b. Next, a square b, ab square. Plus 3a b square. 3ab square. Next, b cube. b cube. So, shall I write it here? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. That's it. That's it. If you got this today, if you got this today, it is done. 6 marks are in your bank. किडी बैंक में कितने मार्क आ गए? 6 मार्क का. कितने आना? 80. कितने मार्क आना? 80. 80 में कितने आ गए? ऑलरेडी 6 आ गए. एक एक दिन खोजना पड़ेगा मार्क के लिए और जमा करने पड़ेगा किडी बैंक में. You have to gather them into your kiddie banks. Okay? And 1 plus 1 2 होता करके सबको मालूम. आज 6, कल और एक 6, परसों और एक 6. It becomes your kiddie bank will be slowly gathering weight. किडी बैंक में वेट आ जाती. सडन में एक दिन क्या आ जाती? 80. 80 marks will be in your kiddie bank. All of you want to see that day, no? All of you want to see your kiddie bank full? Don't waste a time. Don't waste a second. Don't waste a day. Be attached to the topic. Be totally immersed in the subject. Don't let your mind go here and there. It's not the time. It's not the scenario. It's not the day which you are going to take it very easy. Struggles gave independence. If our leaders did not struggle on that day, we could not have enjoyed our freedom today. Is it? So you have to struggle. Understand? So you got to the point now. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Today you have to get to it. Right? Say yes sir or no sir. Compulsory sir ante ఇంకా better. Yes, compulsory means compulsory. Okay. Now take 7 common now. You have to get it in the form what? 7 into something. 7 into something. Okay. So you have to take 7 common करके समझ में आ गया. You have to take 7 common. So a cube is equal 7 common ले लिए तो 7 क्यूब में से क्या बच जाता? 7 स्क्वायर. 7 क्यूब में 7 बाहर आ गया. 7 into 7 स्क्वायर 7 क्यूब प्लस इधर से 7 ले लिए. 3 बच गया. 7 और एक बच गया. क्यू स्क्वायर हो गया इंटू आर हो गया. एक 7 बाहर आ गया. खाली 7 इज टेकन कॉमन प्लस 7 कॉमन. 3 बच गया. क्यू बच गया. ओके. 7 कॉमन. सो when you take 7 common, 3 q r square. 7 is common outside. So we are remaining with 3 q r square. 3 q r square. And outside r cube. Why means there is no 7 over there. We can't take 7 common from r cube. The remaining 3 we can take 7 common. 7, 7, 7. Are all of your eyes functioning? Where can we see 7? In the first 3 terms. Expansion में 4 आए. 1, 2, 3, 4. पावर 3 बोले तो कितने आना? 4 आना. Perfect. अपना आंसर इज our formula is correct. Now ये ब्रैकेट में इसको क्या बोल लेना अपन? क्या की एक चीज? 7. No, not 10. Some 7 p. Some 7. Something is some integer p. Some integer square, integer cube, integer into integer plus is always a new integer. It's a new integer. और new integer को क्या नाम डालेंगे अपन? p डालेंगे. Shall we say p? Shall we say a? Anything except m. Don't take m now. It is a. Suppose a. So ये क्या बन जाती? A cube is equal 7a plus r cube. 7a plus r cube. 7a plus r cube. Until here it is understood? Yes, take it down. All of you have this in your notes. Yes, now a cube is equal 7a plus r cube. Right? The viewers can take it down. You can take it down. Okay. Finally, we reached a destination called a cube is equal 7a plus r cube. Now starting with the r's. Now starting with the r's. R value how much? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So r is equal 0. R is equal 0. Implies a cube is equal 7a plus r. No, r is 0. 7a plus 0, that is 7a, which is in the form 7m, which is in the form 7m. Okay, 7m. Next, r is equal 1. A cube is equal 7a plus 1 cube. 7a plus 1. 7m plus 1. Again 2. You do 2. 2 तुम करो. अरे तुम बोलना मैं कर तुम बोल के सारे सर कर रहे तो देख रहे हम करते नहीं बोल रहे देखो. अरे सर हम we can do it. We can do it sir, but only one student here is saying I can go and sleep sir. Come on, listen. Okay. Next I will take 3. I shall take 3. 2 you will do no? Now I will take 3 and then I will take 5. 4 you will do no? 5 I will take and 6 you will do no? Now I will take 3 and 5. 4 and 7 you do. Something what is remaining. What is remaining you do. Okay? Until where we have to take? 6. Until 6. Now I am taking RS not 2. I am taking 3. 2 तुम लोग कर लो. 3 मैं करूंगा. So R is equal 3 implies A is equal A cube is equal 7A plus 3 cube, that is 7A plus 27. That is, you know 7 tables all of you? Tell me 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. We have to analyze here. Okay, 7 tables so that we can take 7 common. 7 tables आ गए तो क्या ले सकते हैं? 7 common ले सकते. So what is 27? 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 plus 6 plus 6. So 27 can be written as 21 plus 6. 21 plus 6. Now take 7 common here. Now take 7 common. It becomes 7 into A plus 3 plus 6. When you take 7 common, A will remain and 7 3s are 21. Everyone knows common, you take common now. 7 3s are 21 plus 6. This bracket becomes M. 7M प्लस 6, 7m प्लस 6 आ गया, 7m प्लस 6, 7m प्लस 1 ऑलरेडी आ चुका, 7m ऑलरेडी आ चुका। ओके, नेक्स्ट में क्या लेना, 4 लेना 5 लेना, 4 तुम कर लेता, यू विल डू इट। मैं 5 लेता तो 4 6 करो, you do, I don't want to waste the time of the viewers, I don't want to waste your time, you have to practice, you have to, why, practice makes perfect, practice makes, so every time I'm doing, I'm practicing, that doesn't make sure that you are becoming perfect. నువ్వు పర్ఫెక్ట్ కావాలంటే నువ్వు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి, నేను కాదు, నేను ఆల్రెడీ ప్రాక్టీసులు చేసేసిన, 44 సంవత్సరాలు చేసిన చాలు, ఇక ప్రాక్టీస్ ఎవరు చేయాలా, నువ్వు, యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ద ప్రాక్టీస్, ప్రాక్టీస్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ yours. ఓకే, నౌ shall I take 5 or 6, 5 or 6, your wish, come on, r is equal 4, you will do, r is equal 5, I will do, implies a cube is equal 7a plus 5 cube. That is equal 7a plus 125. 7a plus 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Right? Now we have to take 7 tables here. How? 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are here outside in the rough work. 125. 7 tables. 7 ones are 7. How much is remaining? 5. 55. 55. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. So what is remaining? 7 sevens are 49. What is remaining? 6. So 125 से 6 निकाल दो, 119, 119 plus 6, 119 plus 6, समझ में आया? 7 ones are 7, 5 बची 55, 7 sevens are 49, कितना बची? 6, remainder is 6, remainder is 6. Okay, so रिमाइंडर इज 6 बोल तो 125 से 6 निकाल दो, 125 से 6 निकाले तो कितना? 119. सो यू हैव टू राइट इट एज 7a plus 119 plus 6, that is equal 7 कॉमन लिए तो a plus 17, a plus 6, that is 7m plus 6. Again we arrived at 7m plus 6. So in what form it is? The cube of that integer a form lo unnadi 7m, 7m plus 1, 7m plus 6. अब बाकी सो तुम कर लेते करके मालूम है मेरे को, मैच करो, तू कर लेता, कर लेते पक्का, बंद कर सकते दुकान. So all the best, come and do the remaining things.